Students, today's our topic is NOR gate. It is the alternate of OR gate. ठीक है, not OR. It is alternate, just like a NAND gate. Its main purpose to implementation in certain IC families. How to work NOR gate? Firstly, let's see with the truth table. Then we create its logic circuit on circuit verse tool. Let's start its create truth table. So if we have a table that have two variables a, b, and a have values 0, 0, 1, 1, and b has 0, 1, 0, 1. Now the working of NOR gate is as you see, if both values are 0, then the answer will be 1. Otherwise, answer 0. Its main point is this: if you have both values false, then the answer will be true. It's NOR gate. Now let's check its working with logic gate circuit. So here is our tool circuit verse that we used for build logic circuit. So here we see our NOR gate from these. This is our NOR gate. So we drag and drop here. Just zoom it. So now as you can see, it has 2 points here and 1 point here. So we require one output LED that tells us the working of NOR gate, and we have 2 buttons, drag and drop. Now we attach these 2 buttons with these 2 points. And this one to this one. As you can see, these 2 buttons are off, 0, 0. If both, as we see in truth table, if both values are false or zeros, then the answer will be true. It means if I connected this point to this, the LED becomes red, means on. Now let's see the LED red, it's on. If I turn it 1, then LED off. If I this one, also LED off. If I this 0, also LED off. So what is NOR gate says? If both are zeros or false, then LED on. So it is our NOR gate working. Thank you for watching.